Other, please. It will take time na. Okay. Okay. May number 63, may dance.
Number 63 will dance.
Right, dance.
Thank you, number 63. Number 64, what's your name?
Charles.
Charles, o ikaw, magaling ka rin ba sumayaw?
Apo.
So aside from dance,
Sing.
magaling ka kumanta?
Apo.
Sige nga, kakantahan mo kami. Anong kakantahin mo? Sige, thank you. Number 65. What's your name?
Emily.
Emeline, how old are you?
9.
Do you want to be a...
Yes.
Why do you want to be a model? Okay, thank you. Number 66.
Hi.
Hello, what's your name?
Earl Aldrin Inyon po.
Earl, how old are you?
8 years old po.
8 years old. Anong grade ka na?
Stay still.
3 po.
Anong favorite hobby mo?
Playing PSP po.
PSP. PSP. Okay. Thank you. Number 67. What's your name?
Kay Happiness po.
Okay. How old are you?
8.
8 years. Do you, what grade are you in now?
3.
What are your hobbies? Singing.
No.
So, sige. Thank you.
Hi.
68. What's your name?
I bet.
Hi, Be. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
What hobbies, what are your hobbies?
Reading, drawing, and play calcing.
Okay, thank you. Number 69. What's your name? What's your name, Iha? Number 69. What's your name, baby? What's your name? 3 years old. Anong pangalan mo? Okay. Anong gusto mong gawin parati? Okay. Thank you. It's number 70. Hello. What's your name?
I'm Maria Bernadette Tianiba.
How old are you, Maria or Bernadette? How do they call you? What's your nickname?
Bernadette.
Bernadette. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Do you want to be a model?
Yes.
Why? Why do you want to be a model? Okay, sige. Thank you.
Okay. Please turn to your right now.
Yan.
Another turn to your right. Another turn to your right. Another turn to your right. Okay, you may now exit.